Hi guys, welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 28th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku I will solve is a 4-star Sudoku. And this one will be number 1947. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted. This one has again 25. Previous editions, the 4 stars has always 24. Now it turns out it will be always 25. Yesterday also, and the day before also. So it's very strange why the publisher now published 20 of published, yes, printed 25 printed digits. Is this a 3 stars or 4 stars? A really 4-star Sudoku, I really need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 7 in this row? 7 in that row. So the row between the middle a row. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so no row between. Only place for 3 should be there. Then. The 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see here, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. Yeah, well, we have 1. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so in the column between. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 4 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Yeah. Let me continue with the 7. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me try with the other digit. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 6 and the 2. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for a 6 should be there. Then, yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have in the last row a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row we have a 6 over there. So in the row between, the only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see with another digit. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Then 1, 5, and 2. No. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. The 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 5. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 4 in no 5, 9 and 6 are missing. 5, 9, 6. I cannot fill this yet. 5, 9, 6. How about those 2 numbers? In the third row, those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this. Now we have a 2 here. So this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 9. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Now I can continue with the 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the sevens are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those numbers. These 2 numbers in the first row, the 1 and the 5 again. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6 again. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. For a 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not think so. This is not a 4 stars Sudoku. A 4 star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes. Publisher, yes, more than 30 minutes I need to solve. And this is, well, is it simple? Yeah, simple to solve. So when if I can solve it, you can solve it. All right, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you very soon in a minute with the last Sudokus. A tectonic and a binary are left. Bye bye for now.